started my career in the year of 2008, and I have learned my basic things all in this company. And then I moved to another company called Kotmak Electronics Private Limited. Uh, Kotmak Electronics Private Limited. This is a Siemens system integrator. So they do Siemens industrial automation services. And then after 2010, from 2010 to 12, I worked in my second company. And in the year of 2012, we have started our own company, which is MKR Industrial Automation and Services Private Limited. So this is where my passion is to become an entrepreneur and to be helpful to few families by means of employment. So employment is one of my goal, and from the childhood I was much interested in leadership activities, and I was bit hard worker and go getter. So all these things have helped me to come out with my own company, and we have started both automation and training activity in the year of 2012, because I believe personally there is a huge gap between industry and academics. So we would like to contribute something to the education system by means of sharing our own knowledge. So this is where our interest comes out, and we have started this training activity also from the day one. And we have also started one more company called Increase Automations and Services Private Limited, which is a startup based company. Whoever comes with their own ideas, whoever comes with their innovations, so we would like to support them through this company, and we wanted to give them a helping hand and then take up those ideas into implementation. So these are the two companies we have started in 2012. And in the first year, with the help of 3 teams, we are able to generate around 60 lakhs revenue, which is a good boosting figure for us. And it has taken us to next levels. And year on year, we are able to add some 30% growth. And then, yeah. So, and then we are moved on from the year to year. Then 2016, we have started one more company, which is dedicatedly focusing into education system. But due to some parameters, it went down. So we went down, and it was shut out. It was shut down, that company. So we learned many lessons out of that company and that journey. So all ups and downs we have seen during this journey of 4 years. And then 2018 we have taken one more turn. From 2016 we were doing R&D to come out with our own manufacturing unit, because see, own manufacturing unit whereby you can build your own brand, and you can able to create more employment, you can expand like anything to all other parts of the world. So this is our motto. So to fulfill our long-term dream, long-term goal, we have started this R&D in 2016. In 2018 we found a company called Vedan Infra and Projects Private Limited. This is our manufacturing unit. We come out with a product called Aluminium Formwork System. So this is our manufacturing product. This particular product is used into civil industry, and it goes to building and construction domain. This particular item are used to construct houses. So this is an own product. We are manufacturing it, and with the help of our team, we are able to stabilize this particular company, and we are now running successfully. So during this journey till now, if you see into our revenues, we have generated around 5.2 crores revenue the last financial year, and we are moving on with good results. So, and coming to automation side, till now we have trained almost 200, more than 200 students we have trained offline. We have trained almost more than 200 people offline in classroom trainings, and we have a touch base around 1,000 students trained, which is on different courses like part courses or some all other parts of training. We covered around 1,000 students since 2012, and we have delivered many demos, free webinars, and guest lectures and all in institutions, and we reached around 10,000 students as of now in and around South India, Hyderabad. Okay, so this is all not done by individual. This is all with the help of team and our client support. Also, my family given me very good support. Today I'm here because of my family support and my team support, and also our clients, also our principals. Our principals is also our backbone. So we are getting very good support from them since day one, and with the help of them, we are able to serve our clients with the innovation and new technology products. So we have kept our core values. Our core values are like quality, technology, quality enhancement, technology improvements, and happiness by providing services. So we would like to give us on-time services to our customers and keep our customers happy, so that we meet all our core values. And by achieving all this, by meeting these core values all the time, we would like to we are more confident that we'll achieve our long-term goal, which is around 500 crores revenue, and being an industry leader in the same domain.